ये 22 फरवरी 2013 का पैम्फलेट है। आज मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी बड़े पैशनेटली बोल रहे थे, hang everybody, including professors, hang them if they speak against the nation. आज अगर होते तो उनको ये दिखाते। 2 प्रोफेसर हैं, कैंपस में कश्मीर सॉलिडारिटी रैली निकाली जब उनकी सरकार थी, to show solidarity with the struggle for freedom in Kashmir and refuse to be a part of the collective conscience of this country. एक और प्रमाण जो यूनिवर्सिटी से प्राप्त हुआ है, abolish death penalty, burn effigy of home ministry, not minister, speak up against the judicial murder and hanging of Yaqub Menon. कौन था मुंबई में 12 मार्च? मेरी मां का जन्मदिन है, इसलिए आज भी मुझे वो दिन याद है। धमाके हुए, हिंदुस्तानी मरे, आतंकवादी ने मारने से पहले उस हिंदुस्तानी का ना धर्म पूछा ना जाति पूछी। इस पोस्टर में क्या लिखा है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज, Hindu fascist state of India. The state was scared of Yaqub Menon. Our media is a communal corporate media. We are a murderous republic. And our cannibal collective conscience was satiated by hanging Yaqub Menon. We must rise against this judicial murder, a call to rise against a Supreme Court which you approach for bail now. That is the strength of my democracy. Okay. A call to rise against the President of India, to whom you go and implore and say, न्याय कीजिए। उनको जल्लाद कहने वाले उनके दस्तक घर पे जाकर दस्तक देते हैं, वो दरवाजा खोलकर उनका स्वागत करते हैं। ये मेरे लोकतंत्र की ताकत है। एक यहाँ पर सज्जन आज नहीं है, उन्होंने कहा कि आई एम फ्रॉम द कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी, कन्हैया इज माई मेंबर। ब्रदर, आई एग्री। मैडम, this is a poster which has the name of, unfortunately, and I look at this child as a child who has been mobilized as a weapon against the state. This is a child who must not have had an idea that India is not one, but who must have been infested with this thought by those who want to bear arms to overthrow this state. It bears the name of Kanhaiya Kumar, Sheila Rashid, Brahma Naga. They are all members of the student union. And apart from saying, condemning the hanging of Afzal Guru, they claim it as a nervous attempt by the Congress government. And this, Madam Speaker, is a notice given on the 10th of February 2016. On the 9th night, this transpires on the campus. On the 10th, this is a pamphlet which is stuck all across with these signatures. And it says that the public meeting was also disrupted for Mahishasur Martyrdom Day. What is Mahishasur Martyrdom Day, Madam Speaker? Our government has been accused, and I miss today Saugata Roy and Saugata Bose in this house, champions of free speech, because I want to know whether they will discuss this particular topic which I am about to enunciate in this house on the streets of Kolkata. I dare them this. Posted on the 4th of October 2014. A statement by the SC, ST, OBC and minority students of JNU. And what do they condemn? An attempt, like I said, Madam Speaker, this very pamphlet on the 10th of February highlights what the communist leaders call Mahishasur Martyrdom Day. And may my God forgive me for reading this. Durga Puja is the most controversial racial festival, where a fair-skinned, beautiful goddess Durga is depicted brutally killing a dark-skinned native called Mahishasur. Mahishasur, a brave, self-respecting leader, tricked into marriage by Aryans. They hired a sex worker called Durga, who enticed Mahishasur into marriage and killed him after 9 nights of honeymooning during sleep. Freedom of speech, ladies and gentlemen. Who wants to have this discussion on the streets of Kolkata? I want to know. Whether Rahul Gandhi will stand for this freedom, I want to know. For these are the students. No, they are students. What is this depraved mentality? I have no answers for it. I have no answers for it. But then I thought, is it only because many leaders say कि हाँ बच्चे हैं बोल रहे हैं माफ करो, हो सकता है. But how does this depravity get seeded into the minds of our children? Unfortunately, the rows of the Congress party are empty today, Madam Speaker. I have said time and again, शिक्षा को रणभूमि मत बनाओ. मैंने बार बार इस सदन में और दूसरे में निवेदन किया हाथ जोड़कर, मेरी किसी ने नहीं सुनी. Today I am compelled to say this, Madam Speaker. Are these just slogans? I seek to quote a European philosopher, Roman at that, who said, "A nation can survive its fools and even the ambitious, but it cannot survive treason from within. An enemy at the gates is less formidable, for he is known and carries his banner openly. But the traitor moves amongst those within the gate freely. His sly whispers rustling through all the alleys, heard in the very halls of government itself. For the traitor appears not a traitor. He speaks in the accents familiar to his victims. He wears their face and their arguments. He appeals to the baseness that lies deep in the hearts of men. He rots the soul of a nation. He works secretly and unknown in the night to undermine the pillars of the city. He infects the body politic so that it can no longer resist. A murderer is less to fear." आज अगर चाणक्य का मैं यहाँ वर्णन करती तो लोग कहते हैं सैफरन है. इसलिए आज एक रोमन फिलोसोफर को कोट किया और सोचा मैंने कि हमारे बच्चे सीखते कहां से हैं. एक प्रमाण आज आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करती हूं इस हाउस में.